Hello everyone. Welcome to a class of Adobe Illustrator for learning vector graphics. So if you're planning to learn vector graphics, then you are in the right place because in this class, we will cover everything to get you started with Adobe Illustrator. So let's take a look what you learned from this class. We'll learn what is Adobe Illustrator. I'll be giving you guys an introduction to Adobe Illustrator, creating shapes with basic shape tools, drawing stars, lines, and polygons, scaling the stroke sizes, saving in Creative Cloud, and exporting your document, the Shape Builder tool, alignment, distribution, and rotation in Illustrator, understanding layers in Illustrator, the curvature tool, using curvature tool and shape builder tool to create shapes, using the pen tool, AI generated recoloring, creating mood board and AI generated vectors. After completing this class, you will be able to create vector graphics, draw using basic shapes, manipulate shapes, use the shape builder tool, create your mood board, AI features in Illustrator. And this is a project-based class. So during learning, you will have class project. So what you learn, you will be able to participate in the class project and you can do practice while you're learning. You'll have supporting resources in this class. So it will be easier for you to learn. During learning, if you face any issue or if you have any question, then feel free to ask me and I'm always there for you to help you. So let's start learning Adobe Illustrator for creating vector graphics together.